Hello friends, welcome to Smile Against YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about today we are going to install a tool, Python based tool called Dirsearch in our terminal. So without wasting our time, let's fire up our terminal. And search on Google. First of all, we are going to search. Yeah, just type dir search out, and here the first link which you will get is github.com/directory search. Okay, so here is the whole directory. GitHub repository is present over here. So just you have to type this command, copy and paste it on your folder or in your path where you want to store this tool. So I will store it. I already downloaded it in my uh, cds places root tools. Okay, so here is my tool dsr. Just paste that command and press enter. Okay, I already downloaded this one, so no worries. So after that series place dir search.py ls. Okay, now you have to give this file permission of execution like chmod plus x dir and enter, then ls. Now just type this command py. So if you if you haven't installed Python on your Linux machine, just type this command apt install python 3 and press enter. Okay, I already installed this. Now I will type this command for running this dir search python 3 dir search.py hyphen h for help. So hyphen h will show you display the all of mandatory commands for using this tool. So here we are going to use -u for url, and if you want to search more than one urls, so you can try out capital L for url list, -e for extension like php, asp, html, JSP, anything, and -A for predefined extension word list which is already downloaded in our tool, -T for threads. So let's try out. Okay, so let's try out this python 3 dsr.py -u where.com, and I'm going to use the by default extension means capital E. Okay, so you can see the directory search tool has been started, and here you can see the timestamps, status code, and size of the file, and the whole the path, whole endpoint of the URL. So that's all. It will brute force the all critical directories, all default directories in any kind of URL. So it will help you out in such in bug bounties. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, if you then share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Good.